Okay, in this video, we will go over least common multiple. And with least common multiple, they're the lowest same positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. And we'll do an example. So first, this example says, determine the least common multiple of 2 and 3. And the way we have to do this kind of problem is first list out the multiples of both 2 and 3. And again, from our last video, we know multiples. All you have to do is you take your number, you times it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And so that's what we did here. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 6, times 4 is 8, times 5 is 10. And now we do the exact same thing for 3. So 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. And this is called least common multiple. So we look at our two lists and we see what number is the smallest and that they are both the same. And the one that's the same and the smallest is 6. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, we will do 3 problems next, and so if you want to pause the video now and attempt this problem, feel free. So again, we got to get the multiples of both 4 and 3, so we can write the word multiples, and we need to do it for both 4 and 3. So for 4, we get 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, ... We may need, it may very well not be any of these numbers. We may need to continue, but let's just try 3. So 3, we get 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 4 is 12. And so we see in our list the smallest one was a 12, so there's no point in continuing. So the least common multiple of 4 and 3 would be 12. So we can say LCM is 12. This right here is our final answer. Okay, we'll do again 2 more problems. We'll do 2 and 5. So we got to get the multiples. I'll write it out as multi. So we got to do 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 6 is 12. I'm going to put a ... And then we'll do 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. So we have a match because we have a 10 here and a 10. And that's the lowest common multiple. So for this problem, the LCM is 10. Okay, the last problem. Again, if you want to pause the video and attempt it, feel free. So we got to get the multiples. I'm going to write it out as multi. So for 2, we're going to get 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Really, I can stop here because 4, the multiple, the first one is 4 times 1, which is 4. And see, we have a match. So the LCM is 4. And that's pretty much it regarding least common multiples.